The Harappan civilization is also known as Mesopotamian civilization, Egypt civilization, Indus Valley civilization, Chinese civilization. The correct answer is C. Indus Valley civilization. The Great Bath has been discovered at Harappa, Lothal, Mohenjo-daro, Kalibangan. The correct answer is C. Mohenjo-daro. Which metal was not known to Harappans? Copper, bronze, iron, gold. The right answer is C. Iron. The script of the Harappan was the correct answer is B. Pictographic. The famous dockyard was found at the correct answer is B. Lothal. In this civilization was anciently the correct answer is C. Urban. The most common animal on Harappan seal is the correct answer is C. Tiger.